how to get a hosting a free domain name. So as you can tell by today's video title, I'm going to be showing you how you can get a hosting a free domain name with your Hostinger purchase. So with that being said, let's begin today's video. And if you do want to get the best discounts for Hostinger, regardless of when you're watching this video, then feel free to click the top links down below in the video description, and I'll make sure to make those updated for you so you can get the best deals possible. So as you can see on screen right here, you'll be able to get a Hostinger plan starting from $2.59 a month, and you'll be able to get a free domain name. So you'll notice a lot of the times there's going to be promotions and deals where you can get a hosting a free domain name right off the bat. So if you do want to get a free domain name, or if you want to see if this offer is still available, then feel free to click the top link down below in the video description to see if it's actually available for you. So what you can do here is click on start now, and then what we can do is choose your web hosting plan. All right. So as you can see right here, you can get a single shared hosting plan with an 85% off discount right here. You get one website, 30 gigabytes of SSD storage, and all that type of stuff. And unfortunately, with the single shared hosting plan, you don't get a free domain name, so that's something to consider. But with the premium shared hosting plan right here, which is going to be the most popular right here, is what they're saying, and the business shared hosting, you do get a free domain name. And you get a free domain name for the middle plan right here, which is going to be the premium shared hosting plan as well. So that's something to consider as well. And you get a free email, free SSL, and a bunch of other benefits as well that will, catapult your journey to getting started with your hosting. So let's just go ahead and choose the middle plan right here. You can go ahead and choose the business shared hosting plan if that's going to be right for you. But I think, the premium shared hosting plan is going to be right for you as well if you are starting out. So it's going to be a perfect package for personal websites, for example. So let's go ahead and click on select. And as you can see right here, you're almost there. Complete your order. And as you can see, you can get the free domain and SSL right here. And once you go ahead and do that, you'll obviously, basically select the plans. We've already done that in the previous step. And then what we can go ahead and do is choose our, individual pricing plans. So you'll notice that right here, if you want to use Hostinger and pay per month, you'll go ahead and pay this particular amount right here. Then we have the one where you basically pay 12 months, every 12 months, and then we have where you pay every 24 months, and then the last one right here we pay 48 months. So you'll notice that you get a bigger discount when you actually pay more in advance. So obviously, when you pay each month, you end up paying a larger amount. But if you end up paying more in advance, you end up getting a bigger discount. So for example, by choosing 48-month plan, you could save a lot more money. So they're saying you could save $369.60, because obviously instead of paying $10.29 per month, you'd be only paying the equivalent of $2.59 per month via if you pay every 48 months instead of every month, for example, right? And obviously the savings just keep on adding up and up until you go to the last plan right here, where you save a lot of money. So as you can see, you save $369.60. So if you do want to maximize your savings and get the best deal possible, I'll strongly recommend paying more. I'll strongly recommend going with a 48-month plan so you can save a lot more money and just get a further discount for yourself, right? So then once you go ahead and do that, you'll click on create your account right here. So you enter your email address or what you would be using to log in. You can also log in with all these different platforms as well from the looks of things. So just put in your email address, and then you'll go ahead and select your payment right here. So as you can see, you can pay via credit card, you can pay via PayPal, which I like, and you can even pay via cryptocurrency, guys. So that's pretty cool. It's always appreciative that we can pay via cryptocurrency, because cryptocurrency is obviously pretty cool. Pay via Google Pay. And you can also pay via Alipay right here as well. And as you can see right here, premium shared hosting 48 months. So, normally it would cost this amount right here, which is obviously quite a lot. But, because we have the discount applied by clicking the top link down below, you'll see that we actually get a 74% discount, which makes it a lot more cheaper. So as you can see right here, it ends up only being basically $136.75 at the time of recording this video. So again, these pricing plans and discounts and all these offers may change in the future, so feel free to click the top links down below in the video description so you can see the most up-to-date pricing plans and up-to-date deals and promos that are available. So as you can see, Ssl Certificate activation, so free SSL, secure your website, boost your SEO, and let your visitors trust you. All this simply just by protecting your website with Ssl Certificate. It is completely free, secure your website forever while you stay with Hostinger with no annual fees. And then at the time of recording this video, the discount's already applied, you'll be able to set up your domain in your control panel after the first year. The domain will renew at the regular rate. So basically, to get access to your free domain name, you'll basically like set this up in your control panel. So obviously, like right here, we're just like getting everything set up, obviously like paying for the service. So like once you go ahead and do that, from the looks of things, you'll go ahead and be able to get your free domain name in your control panel. So that's basically how it works. So as you can see, you will be able to set up your domain in your control panel. So that's how you can claim your free domain name right here. Cloudflare protection free. Cloudflare will be enabled for free on your website. Security and DDoS protection with speed benefits of a content delivery network. Speed and uptime guaranteed. And you also get, free setup as well. So monthly plans come with a $4.99 one-time fee. Subscribing to a longer plan will remove the setup fee and save you more money in the long term. So that's obviously like what we've done with like subscribed to the 48-month plan, which enables us to get some extra incentives as well, some extra bonuses, right? Some extra freebies. And then we obviously have the discount applied right here, which allows us to basically like purchase the hosting for this particular price right here, as you can see on screen. So yeah, guys, that's basically the way you can get a free domain name and sign up for hosting. As you can see on the screen, you'll be able to like get a free domain name at the time of recording this video, and basically you'll access that free domain name inside of your control panel once you have everything set up and purchase your hosting plan. I've also shown you how you can get some extra like little deals and discounts so you can really maximize your savings. So yeah, that's basically hosting in a nutshell, and how you can get a free domain name inside of hosting. It's a bit of like a tutorial. So yeah, links will be down below to this offer so you can get a free domain name and get the best deal possible. And yeah, thanks for watching today's hosting video on how you can get a free domain name inside of hosting. Cheers.